myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need.
We're actually about to leave, but so today is gonna be a busy day. Today I have an MRI. I can't even speak. So today I have an MRI, and yeah, that's what we're heading to now. This is my outfit. Well, I got my jacket. I have kind of like this really cute kind of gray, kind of like crop top thing. Some cute jeans, and then some type of underwear, and a cute one. Like, isn't this cute? I don't even know if you can see it. But yeah, so uploading a video. So let's go. So we're in the car, and my cute bum. I don't even know. He's listening to music and eating orange. Why? Uncle Steven.
Hold on.
So, big uncle. And yeah, I guess I'll show you guys a little bit of what's in my purse right now. And yeah, so we're in the car. And yeah, so let's go. Okay, you guys. So yeah, my tongue is really red because of the fact that I had some juice earlier today. So sorry if my it's like really red. I hope that y'all can hear me. But I'm really feeling my outfit today. So I'll show you guys a little bit of what's in my purse since I didn't do this last time. I think so. Yes, it is. Can you call me real quick? Okay. So. Wait. Headphone. Why you gotta be it? Okay. Hair tie. Oh, it's very pretty. And EOS box. With gloss and bullshit because I'm.
Why are you showing them what's in your purse?
You get them always asking. One glass. A couple cards.
That's all cheap stuff.
And then, what do you want me to have? Like a piano in my purse thing?
No, maybe
and
some expensive cologne and maybe a.
Let me just go for it. Let me just grab my purse.
A not broken phone.
So yeah, that's what I have. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on there. Thank you, Kyla, for filming. She won't stop filming. I just put on some lip gloss.
I'm gonna be her cameraman from now on because I don't like to be in her videos.
Okay, then you can help me film some of my videos, some of my main channel videos. But you have to act right.
That's right.
Why are you, Kyla, put it straight. Why are you putting it diagonal? Thank you. I make sure I look cute on.
Nobody wants to see you put on lip gloss.
Well, then you're the one that's still recording.
Please wait a moment.
Wait, hold on. I still haven't finished putting it on. Just stop.
Very ugly.
Oh, you guys want to see my really cute sunglasses? You can stop recording. Really cute sunglasses. So we're test driving the car. Yeah, we're test driving. I left my camera in the car.
He made with his wife.
We're test driving this. Yeah.
No, it's Faith Hill.
This is my Uncle Steven.
Oh yeah.
And you're on YouTube. You're famous now. So yeah, this is a Camry, I think, some type of Camry. I don't know. This is a 2014, right? It's 2014. A 2014 camera. It's not a camera. It's a Camry. It's a camera. We're driving in a Camry, you guys. Awesome, right? playing country music. I hope I'm not gonna be copyrighted for this.
You're probably gonna have to read our list.
So yeah, I'm gonna stop recording so I can record later. So. We're starving right now, so.
Daddy, that's only you.
Yes, I was extremely starving because we had to wait in the car for them to finish, and I got me a Dave single with fries. So I'm about to sit here and like legit eat because it's just like a.
Yes.
Yes, I got. Here you go. And yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and eat because we just left from the car place. And yeah.
You want me to record you? No, don't record me!
Okay, don't yell. Hey.
She said, y'all.
Hello, why are you tilting it? There you go. Oh, dang it, this song. So we just finished eating. It was very good. I was really hungry.
It was horrible. I don't feel good now.
And then, yeah, so after this, we're going to go to pick up the car. Yeah, so.
Nobody cares what she's talking about.
Look.
Ah, I hit my head.
Okay, guys. So, on my main channel, I'm gonna do a little story time about something that I haven't told. That I have. Why you?
Our bishop talked about doodle on the toilet.
That y'all see. There's a story that I'm gonna tell you guys about, and why I said I had to get an MRI, and you know, why we're getting a new car and all that stuff. So stay tuned for my main channel
About
and
Bishop and the doodle toilet.
yeah, and wait till it says, you know, story time in the title, and you guys will get to know what I'm talking about. I had to redo my bun, so that's why it looks all crooked after my MRI. So yeah, I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, to be honest. But yeah, y'all look at all the corners. Okay, I don't even know why I just filmed that.
He was right up.
But yeah.
He was looking as fruity as ever. He could breathe. He was real fruity. I felt it oozing from the car.
I don't know why. I didn't like showing that this guy. It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
Watch it. Y'all gonna feel it. Y'all gonna feel it. Y'all don't feel that ooziness. Don't, bro. I'm bloated.
Yeah,
I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
I got Sprite. That's a lot of food. We just got like a whole bunch of food.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I can't burn my A, B, C.
You guys, look at the sky. It's so beautiful.
There they go right there.
I never.
So we're finally home, and now I'm able to show you guys my bed. But yeah, we're now home. We went to go to the store to pick up a few things. We did get a car, you guys. Very excited. You guys will see the car in like another vlog. We'll show like the whole car and all of that. But yes, we did get a new car today, which was awesome. And we just got a few groceries for the house as well. And yeah, now I gotta get ready for school tomorrow, because today we got to take off because I had to get the MRI, we had to get a new car, and we had to do all this other stuff. So yeah, and now we had to go back to school tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, and yeah, so Make sure, if you guys haven't already, go and watch my last vlog, which was the Martin Luther King Jr. Parade. It was that day anyways. So just go and watch that video. Subscribe to my vlog channel, and I'm gonna try and do like daily vlogging and all that stuff. I'm gonna try. I'm not making any promises, but that's what my banner up there says, daily vlogs, and I'm gonna keep it that way. I just have to stick to it. And you guys just encourage me in the comments and everything, and just, I don't know, say some good things. Anyways, give this video a nice big thumbs up. As I said already, subscribe, and, you know, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Goodbye. Jada, out.